Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about zoom out on Wix.com. Guys, if you created a website on Wix.com, now you want to see this window in zoom out mode, then how will you see? So you don't need to confuse about that. Simply you have to click on this zoom out button. Just simply click on it and then you will be able to see your website in zoom out mode. As you can see, this is my website and I can see all my website easily, and it is more visible to design it perfectly. So guys, this is how to zoom out on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.